Hey, boys and girls, happy Monday. We're almost to the end. I wanted to go over today's reading activity. So we're continuing reviewing since it is the end of the year. I just wanted to go through we're going to do like all of the different skills that we have done thus far. So today we're going to practice inferencing and text evidence, which are two things that we have done quite a bit. So I found some cool end of the year activities. So this one is called the End of the Year Awards. So it is, I'm just going to go through the directions and explain what you're doing. So first thing what you're doing is, this is the third slide, but I want to kind of explain it. So the end of the year obviously is near, and it's up to you to decide which award fits each student that you are going to read about. So we're going to read about 8 different students. Not all of the awards are going to be used. So you're going to read about 8 different students, and there's all these different end of the year awards. So there's like a witty writer. This says voracious reader, creative, future teacher, school spirited, class clown, class pet, timekeeper. What does that one say? Class. I can't even read that one. I have to zoom that one in. Most organized, most athletic, friendly, dependent, class, spokesperson, number whiz. I have to read that one. Class. Oh, environmentalist. That's what it says. I am blind. It's so bad. Anywho, so here are the directions. I just wanted to read through it so everybody would understands what they need to do. First thing, this is the example of the first one. So you're going to read about each student. There's 8 of them. They all have a different name. So their name's here at the top. This guy's name is Harry. You're going to read all about Harry. Then you have to use your inferencing skills to decide which one of the awards that I just read to you would best fit Harry based on the text evidence that was given. Then you're going to click on, so let's say you think it's this one, you're going to click on that, drag it over to the blank ribbon. So the ribbon that's right here next to where you're going to write your text evidence. Okay, you're going to drag it over to the blank ribbon, and then you're going to use your text evidence you're going to use this box to cite your evidence that would support that why you think that person deserves that particular award. Okay, so again, you'd click on, let's say you think it's this orange one, you click on it, you're going to drag it. It doesn't let you do it on this one. You're going to drag it down to here, and then you're going to write your evidence from the text that supports why you think it's that particular award for that particular student. The next set of directions, this is just, I kept this slide on here just to help you. The first three slides are like directions. So the second slide here is just giving you directions on how to magnify, just in case you forget, because I'll show you on the slides the little blurbs about each student are kind of small. So if you need to make it bigger, it shows you that you would go up here to the magnifying glass, which you guys pretty much know. And you can zoom in, and then it shows you a shortcut how you can zoom. I'm going to click to slide 4 because slide 4 is where it shows you the actual slide. So here's the first student. His name is Harry. It's giving you about 3 paragraphs about Harry. Then you're going to read all about him and decide. So again, if I think that he is a voracious reader, I would click on that, drag it down to the blank one, and there you go. And then I'm going to use my evidence from the text that would support that he's a voracious reader. Okay, we have 8 students. So we have Harry, we have Tony, Murray, Ping, Roberto, Lupita, Cody, and Michael. So there are 8 students, and you're deciding. So you might notice that there are more than 8 ribbons. So that means not every ribbon will be used. So it's kind of tough. I want to see if how you guys do. Make sure you're giving the text evidence. Text evidence means it should be something from the text that supports it. So it needs to be in a sentence, in sentence formation, not one word. Okay. What else did I want to say? So this is not going to be due on Monday. I'm going to give you some additional time since there are 8 students that you have to read. So you can kind of split it up. I'm not assigning any new work on Tuesday because that's our conference day. So I'm going to make this due Wednesday. So you will have until Wednesday to do this. You can split it up however you want. You can do 4 Monday, 4 Tuesday, and then you don't have any work for reading on Wednesday. Or you can do 2, 2, and 2. It's up to you however you want to split it up. You can finish them all on Monday. It's up to you however you wanted to do it, but it's not due. You can see the due date in Google Classroom. It's not due until Wednesday. So you have Monday and Wednesday to complete it because technically we are off on Tuesday because of conferences. Any questions? Remember to message me. I also am still having my Zoom every day at 12:45, and I will post that code to log in to get in on the stream. So any questions, message me, and I'll see everybody soon. Have fun.